joining us. I wanted to ask you a little bit about what the volume trajectory could look like in the second half of the year. What's the guidance for the full year, and what could the growth be?
Morning, Sonia. Thank you for having me on your show. Yes, you're right. The first half has been really good for us with probably the best ever volumes and also the value. The realizations also have increased by close to 12% in the first half. The second half also looks very promising. We have a few launches planned in both in multiple cities, including Gurgaon and Hyderabad and in Bangalore. So those launches and current sustained volumes from the existing inventory that we have looks promising for the second half. As such, we don't give guidance, but we first half we did about 2.7 million square feet. So the second half will do probably much better than that.
Right. And Jagadish, hi, good morning. So in terms of the sales value in the all-important market for you, which is Bengaluru, you have retained market share. You are the number 2 player.
Prashant, I don't know if we are number 2, number 1, number 3, but we have definitely been doing much better. First 2 quarters, we have, for the first time in the history of our company, we have done more than 1 million square feet a quarter, which means we have done already 2 million square feet in this financial year. And we hope to do the same numbers in the coming couple of quarters too. So that will take 4 million square feet in Bangalore alone, which will be the highest for us ever. So that's very promising, and that seems to be very sustained despite our price hikes that we have done. So that's very encouraging.
Jagadish, let's talk about the price hikes then. You know, good to see there's a lot of traction on ground, but pricing will be something that your customers as well as the stock markets will look at very closely. For the second half of the year, what kind of price increases? Have you taken one first in October? And do you believe that prices will continue to increase from here?
There are 2 parts to it, Nigel. One, the historical last 12 months. It's been very unusual. Most of us, most of the real estate players, including us, we had to take price increases to protect our margins. And thankfully, that didn't hurt our demand. In fact, it's accelerated our demand. Probably one, because